It was a hands-on culinary experience like no other. Renowned chef instructor and alumnus Mariano Ramos is back on campus sharing his expertise with us.
Today, what we're going to be doing is something that I like to do at my house that is very traditional in the streets of Mexico. And I'd like to show them what the key points are for succeeding in making the fried taquitos.
Chef Ramos' love for interior Mexican cuisine and methodical instruction drew participants' curiosity and attention from students and faculty to our board of trustees.
I'm so proud of all of you.
Latino food is well rooted in the United States, and it's not going anywhere because of its flavors and its deliciousness. It's been adopted, and certainly Mexican food is one of the top cuisines in the world.
For over a decade, Chef Mariano has been returning to campus to enrich the student experience.
I've been involved with the Montgomery Scholars Program as a guest lecturer for their Philo Cafe sessions that my wife and I have been doing for the past 12 years. So we have a chance to interact with the incoming class of scholars.
As he continues to shape the future of local culinary industry, his impact on Montgomery College will be felt for years to come. For MCTV, I'm Carolina Galeano.